Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas episode 2. Today's a Tuesday. It is the 30th of November and we are continuing with Vlogmas. So my daughter and I are gonna go out. First we're going to her school to get her report. It is report collection. They're closed, so she's home doing nothing. So I thought let me just take her. And then I think we're gonna go to Game City afterwards. There are a couple of things that I said I was gonna get that I actually didn't get in my last vlog. So we're gonna do that together, but it's nothing hectic really. It's nothing like that important, but we're gonna do that together. So I hope you guys will enjoy this vlog, and yeah, stay tuned for more.
I guess you're back. Are you gonna tell me where you went? All the messages I sent with no reply. It's like that. You're just gonna walk into my room. I hate how you assume I'll take the pleasure and the pain, the sorrows in your brain.
So let's go in. December. Sanitize the site. Together. Emma. So on the 1st of December, tomorrow, you're gonna, what is one? You're gonna look for one, then you open one. Here's one. You're gonna open here. Then we see a surprise for you. And then on the 2nd of December, you're gonna look for two and do the same. So I'm also gonna get for back in there. Yeah. Hi.
Hi, Tony.
Oh, thank you.
Hi, Tony.
Thank you so much. This is so sweet. Oh, thank you. Oh, this is so cute. So cute. Can I take this guy? Oh, black hand. You guys, I'm so happy. My friend brought me sorobe, so I'm gonna have that with bread. I'm so happy. Oh, child. I can't wait. I can't wait.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnuts roasting.
It looks nice. I can take it thought. This is nice. Okay.
Jingle bells, Santa stocking, candy cane tree, holly, mistletoe, reindeer, reindeer.
Okay.
Then
Yes.
another words. Now
Turn it around. Yeah, you can open.
See, it was this Minnie Mouse face.
Okay. Was it nice?
Yeah,
Okay, that's good.
that's why I ate it all.
Yeah, let's see number 2.
So you want me to share with you number 2?
No, it's fine, baby. You can have it all.
Okay,
You'll share with me on day 3.
okay. Here's number 2.
Let me see how you remove it.
Ma,
How do you remove it?
you just get it out with a spoon or
Oh, okay.
yeah. Here I can take a spoon.
Yeah.
Okay. Don't pass it down.
Okay.
I'm back with a spoon. See, you're just gonna scoop it off.
Yeah, it was melted.
So hard. This is like a rock.
Is it?
Yeah, I need the hardness.
You can't. Let me try pop it off for you.
Okay. My mom totally got it out for me because it was rock hard.
Yeah.
See, now take a video.
Oh, okay.
See, guys, I was the one who was talking with my Christmas chocolates. I mean, Christmas tree chocolates.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take a guide. Yummy.
It's nice.
Mm-hmm.
Enjoy.
Sorry.
Okay.
Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase.
Will be on his soul, and he will be called Wonderful Counselor, Mighty God, Everlasting Father, and Prince of Peace.
This little child so humble in mind, come and save me. Heavenly hosts cry, glory, glory, for the Lord is with us.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.
Hey guys, today is a Sunday. I know I haven't been vlogging. It's just a lot. I told you guys in my last video, so I won't explain again. But yeah, my voice has changed because I've been having a flu. Yeah, but it's getting better now because so like it's ending or one. So yeah, today is a bit cold actually. It is cold. That's why I'm wearing all this. I went to church in the morning with my cousin, and then after church we decided to check some stuff. Well, we came back home and then we chilled, and then there was nothing to do because I have a client at 1:30, so I was waiting for her, and then we thought let's just go to this shop initially because we saw some pajamas that they posted. I'll put the picture on the screen, I think this side. So yeah, these are the pajamas. It is a 2-piece set. So I got this nude color, cream nude, whatever color this is. This is the color that I got. My cousin got a purple one as well as it looks gold as well as a gold one. So yeah, we love these. They're not shiny. So yeah, these were 29 bucks. So yeah, 30 bull. Like, yeah, I think Big Discount Store also has them. And then I saw this top ones in that page, but you know, so when we go to the store I also saw it and I'm like, yes, I'm definitely getting you. Yeah, it's this really nice top. But so I don't know where this is from, but I would guess I don't know, I would guess Cotton On. I'm just guessing. So yeah, this was 29 bucks as well. I love how you tie it on the sides. This is the bag. So yeah, that's just about it. So these two are like less than 60 pula. Ooh. Anyway, so before I close off this vlog, I wanted to tell you guys about a new shop in town that I think you guys would be interested in. So I don't know if you guys watched Nomalina. If you don't, you have to. I hope I'm pronouncing her name well, but it's Nomalina. I hope so. Nomalina. So Nomalina is a South African YouTuber slash influencer. So she talks mostly about like fashion industry, shops and stuff. So there's this shop that she's been talking about like recently. I reviewed the Zara outlet store. So I was in Joburg and I actually wanted to go to that shop. Can you believe it? So I was just minding my own business, and then my friend sends me something over Instagram. She's like, there's this shop. I'm like, oh, okay, it was opening, so it opened last week. So maybe me, I thought let me check it out. So they have Zara stuff, they have Bershka, and then they have Pull and Bear. So they sell these things that like they're literally from the shops, like the original shops. So it's not like counterfeiting faking or one. It's like original. So they sell them at a fraction of the price, basically. So I got some sandals. I don't know, my mom took them. They were initially for me, but my mom took them. So I'm gonna look for them in her room so that I can show you guys. They're really nice. And then there's this dress that I wanted to get from them, but I didn't have money, so I asked them to save it for me. I hope I really. Anyway, so yeah, I will show you guys the shoes just now. So the shop is located go. Hey, Lina, there's a mail. I'll put the name on the screen of the place go thing. But ka go bo when I say go heta sebele more, the more ye go like one of the news fana nama E1 gona le complex nyana somewhere there. I did shoot a video though going there. So after this I am gonna put the video as well as just me. I was walking around the shop, so I did manage to shoot a bit. So they do have Zara stuff, like I said. I really love them. So skirts are like 250, tops are like 250, shirts as well, dresses are like 350, 360. And I'm talking about stuff go Zara. The dresses you'd find them for like 800, 600, 900, like grand in rents, of course. But one we tell a level 360, which I feel like is fair. It's really fair, you know. So the shop, I think you do if bow. You guys will check it out. I will link the Instagram somewhere because I genuinely like the shop. So yeah, I think that's just about it. So after this we'll follow the clips from the shop, and then that's it. I will see you guys in my next episode of Vlogmas. I am actually packing. Yeah, I'm packing because I'm going to my halape. Yeah, but I'm really hoping that I can be able to upload this video today. I hope so, because I promised 3 videos a week. It's Sunday. I only posted a video on Wednesday or Thursday. Sorry, I'm lagging behind, but I apologize. So I'll see you guys next week.